This is a tutorial on how to create an account and how to pay for a single or multiple licenses. The website campus.extension.org is where you will create your account. Create an account prior to accessing the campus catalog. Campus catalog at extension.org is where you can purchase multiple licenses. Step 1. To create an account, go to campus.extension.org. Step 2. Click on Create New Account. Step 3. Accept Cookie Policy. Step 4. Complete the required information in the new account form and click Create Account. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address you used to set up the account. A link to campus.extension.org is included in the email. It is critical that you create your account using your full first name and last name, as this is what will show on a course certificate. The certificates cannot be edited. When creating your account, use an email and password that is familiar to you and document it for future use. Note: the system will only recognize the characters used to create the account. To purchase a single or multiple licenses, go to Campus Catalog at extension.org and click on the Cooperative Extension logo. On the Cooperative Extension Offerings page, select the category that you are interested in or use the search box located in the upper right corner on the sidebar. For example, if you are looking for a training for recognizing and reporting child abuse and neglect, you would click on the box labeled Home and Family. The Course Offerings page will open. This is where courses are listed under the selected category. If purchasing for yourself, click the box next to the course title. Check to ensure the quantity is set to 1. Next, click Add to selected items to cart. If you are purchasing multiple licenses, check the box next to the title of the course. Change the quantity to the number of licenses you want to purchase. Click Add to selected items to cart. A shopping cart will open and will show your selected courses and the quantity. Once you verify the information is correct, you can continue shopping or check out. You may be prompted to sign into your account at this stage. To delete an item or change the quantity, highlight the number in the quantity box and change to 0, then click the Recalculate button. This will allow you to correct or redo a selection. When you are ready to proceed, click Checkout. The checkout screen is where you will enter your invoice details. Remember to use the name and email address you used to set up your Campus Extension account. Check the box, I agree to the terms and conditions of the sale. Click Proceed. The final purchase screen will provide the details of your purchase. You now have licenses to assign to your staff or student from your account via the Manage License area. You will receive an email with a link to assign seats. You can access the management page by clicking on the link provided in the email or log into your account and click Manager Login located on the main page of your account. Each participant must have an active individual account on Campus Extension. Ensure that you obtain their name and email address used to set up their account. If the name and email do not match, you will be unable to assign a seat to a participant. You are now the manager of the purchased licenses. To access and assign licenses or seats, click on Manager Login located in the upper right corner of the page. Log in with the name and email used to create your Campus Extension account. Now that you are logged in, you can add students to the course by clicking the red box, Add Students. Enter the student's first name, last name and email address they used to set up a Campus Extension account. It is critical that they match. If first and last name and email address do not match the student's account, the system will not recognize the account, and the student will not be added to the course. Click the Enroll button. You can proceed to add students up to the quantity purchased. You can view a list of previously enrolled students by clicking on the red bar titled List Previously Enrolled Students. As a manager, you can return and enroll students as needed. For technical support, email campusadmin@extension.org.